It's cotton candy clouds.
So in today's video, I'm going to be bringing you guys a video that is a little bit different. I'm going to be doing a luxury handbag unboxing. So if you guys are interested, then definitely go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, divas, so I got myself a luxury bag for my birthday. It's a bag that I've been wanting for so long, and I'm just so happy that I got it. I did want to do an unboxing with you guys, not only to bring different content, but just to share with you guys like things that I love and everything like that, because I definitely love a good handbag, and I am ready to switch from my Louis Vuitton Montaigne into another everyday handbag for a new season. But yeah, divas, let's just jump right into the unboxing. Okay, divas, so here is the bag that it came in. First of all, I did want to let you guys know that I was in Vegas when I was celebrating my birthday, so I decided to go to the Louis Vuitton store and get myself a birthday present, because I was like, I don't know what I want to get myself, and I was like, I'll get myself a handbag. So we went to the Louis Vuitton store at Caesar's Palace and I picked up my bag. So here it is. So I'm going to go ahead and take out this box. Now I will tell you guys, the ribbon is not on here, as you guys can see. Let me get it out so I can show you guys. My mic was not on, and I'm so glad that I decided to check to see if my mic was on, because I would have did this whole video without any audio. Okay, so I checked, but I started to do the video and I got to the point where I took off the ribbon. So this is my Louis Vuitton ribbon. I took it off the box. I do not know how to put it back on, which really sucks because it looks cute on there, like it's very aesthetically pleasing, but I just don't know how to put it back on there. So here's my ribbon. Sorry, I kind of ruined that for you guys out there who want to purchase this bag and you're like, but it is pretty, I promise. So that is just like the only thing. So anywho, here is the actual box that my Speedy 30 came in. I did purchase the Speedy 30 Bandoulière, and here it is. So that is different from the classic, which I actually had intentions on purchasing, but I'll go ahead and get into why I did not and why I decided to go with this one. So yeah, let's just go ahead and unbox it. So sorry, it is kind of heavy and I have small hands and short arms. So when you open it, it comes in a dust bag, of course. So let's go ahead and take that out. Also at the bottom of the box, I have my receipt here, and like I said before, I did get it from the Caesar's Palace Louis Vuitton store. And then also I had a client advisor help me because I wasn't really sure. I knew that I wanted a Speedy 30, but I wasn't really sure, so I wasn't able to just go into the store and say, oh, this is what I want, okay, you know, out the door. So I did have a client advisor, and her name was Michaela Marinescu, and she was very knowledgeable about all the bags and the history of Louis Vuitton and everything like that. And then she even gave me the rundown on some of the other Louis Vuitton bags that I already own. She was telling me like the reason behind creating it and things, Louis Vuitton created it and all that stuff. So she was very, very knowledgeable. So if you are in Vegas and you want to like get like that whole experience, because I was not expecting that. I've never had anybody tell me about the history or anything before when purchasing previous bags, so I thought that that was very nice. So it was a really nice experience that she made for me, and it was very special because it was my birthday. So yeah, just to throw that out there, like I thought that she was a great client advisor, and I would definitely recommend her like to anybody. But anyways, here is the Louis Vuitton dust bag, of course, but who cares about that? Like, who cares about this dust bag? We need to get into the bag, okay? So here is my beautiful Speedy 30 Bandoulière, and I know you're like, why is it folded up like that? And Michaela also put my lock on for me, which I will be taking off because I don't like the look and feel of like the lock being on my bag. Like, I just feel like that's really weird. But yeah, she did put it on there for me, which I do appreciate. But yeah, so anyways, if you're wondering like why is it like folded like this, this is the way that Michaela packaged it, because I did not take it out since she has packaged it. This is how you're supposed to apparently like store your Speedy 30, just just in case you didn't know, and place it in the bag. So this is how she folded it for me. So let's get right into the details and everything. So initially I'm just unfolding the bag. So initially I was going in for just the standard Speedy 30. I was not planning on getting the bandoulière because I felt like it was just more money for no reason. Like, I was not convinced at first. Which I guess we'll get into that a little bit later. I want to show you guys the details of the purse. So here is the front side of the purse. I just want to give you guys like a good look in case you're wondering like if you should purchase the bag. And I know the bag looks like it has no shape and it looks like all bent up and everything, and that's just because I took it out of the box. But here it is, and then here is the back side. And then here is one of the sides, and I'll show you guys the other side. It's very, very beautiful. It does have the Louis Vuitton logo at the bottom. I know my lighting is like really washing it out, but it does. And then it also have, of course, all the details here. It says Louis Vuitton there. It also has the detailing on these zippers as well. So I'll go ahead and flip it over and show you guys this side as well. And like I said, it is very, very detailed. There's like so many details. I don't know if you guys want to see like all of it, but yeah, there's so many details to this purse because it has Louis Vuitton here. Here is just like everywhere. So yeah, here is the details of the purse. Now let's go ahead and look inside. So it does have two zippers here. It's hard for you to see this zipper because my lock is on here, but it's one zipper here and then one zipper here as well. So let's go ahead and open that up. And on the inside is my straps. That's what you see there, and it's also like a beautiful brown canvas. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's like very beautiful and brown. It also comes with this pouch here, which I'm really happy that it comes with because so that I can store like my important things in. Although I did purchase a purse organizer from Amazon, which I will be utilizing and putting in here to give my purse shape as well as enable me to organize my bag. But this is really good because I'll be able to put like my important stuff that I need to get to like immediately. So it comes with this pouch as well, which I really, really do like. I also like the fact that it does come with this little, I'm trying to show you guys, I'm sorry, this is my first luxury bag unboxing. So it does come with this here, which I'm really, really excited about, and excuse my nail please, but it does come with this, and I'm really excited about that because I can attach my mini pochette and I could put it in here and carry it with me, because I pretty much carry my mini pochette like all the freaking time. Like, so I feel like, and in my Montaigne I'm able to attach my mini pochette as well, and I like just having it with me just in case I don't feel like taking my purse in or something and I just want to take in like my wallet or my card holder or something like that. So I'm happy that it comes with that so that I can take my mini pochette along with me. And I might grab it so you guys can see, because you're probably like, what the heck, mini pochette? I'm not sure if it's still sold out. That's kind of why I didn't want to show you guys, but yeah. So anywho, or actually I'll show you guys what is in my bag once I do my what's in my bag video. And make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you guys want to see a what's in my bag video, or comment down below and let me know if you guys want to see that video. I absolutely love watching those because I love to see like what people's everyday needs are, and also like things that I may need to carry in my purse that I don't. But anyways, so here is the bag. It is very, very beautiful. Now I do have the straps on the inside, and this is what separates the regular Speedy 30 from the Speedy Bandoulière, which I have here now. So here is the straps. And the straps also have extenders on here, which is really, really good. Now, a girl like me don't need to use those because I am very short. So this is just perfect. Michaela said it for me because she was seeing like how the bag would fall on me. And when she said it like this, it was very perfect for me. So it's not going to be like too long or too short. Like, it's just the right amount of length so that I can like multitask, like, because I am a person honestly who likes to carry my purse in my hand. I like to carry it like on my wrist. obviously not like this, but I'm just trying to show you guys. Or I like to actually carry my bag like literally in my hand, and that is cool until you realize that you need to be hands-free. Like for example, for me at the grocery store, most of the time I need to be hands-free. Like I cannot be like holding a handbag and trying to grocery shop and push my basket and do, it's just too much, or pump gas, or just do anything. Like I'm at the ATM and I need to like, it's like I needed to get the bandoulière. I'm very glad that I was convinced otherwise to get the this bandoulière with the extra strap. So that's pretty much what it is. And also the bandoulière comes with this on the side, which I'm really happy about because I do like that detail. I feel like it looks very nice up against the monogram print. I feel like, I don't know, like I just feel like it gives the bag a little bit more oomph rather than it not being there. I feel like, I don't know, I'm just glad I got this one because like I said, I can be hands-free and I'll be comfortable with like multitasking, and I won't have to like put my purse down in the basket or anything like that. So that's really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply sounds like I'm talking about hair and makeup but you guys know that's my comfort zone, so if I should be using another word, please excuse that. It's just when I'm doing videos, it's, you know. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and put my straps on, and then I'll stand up and show you guys so you guys can see like what it looks like. And also it has the Louis Vuitton logo here, name here, and the logo as well, which is really nice. And then these also turn, so they're very, very flexible. That's another thing I wanted to tell you guys, like just in case you're interested in purchasing this bag or any bag from Louis Vuitton, like if anything ever happens to your bag, you can always go to Louis Vuitton and like have it fixed. Now of course it is going to cost you money because of course like nobody has time to be doing anything for free, but I feel like it's like you can be rested assured that your bag is going to be fixed correctly rather than going to some random place. Like this is a place that actually created your bag, so I really do like that because that was one of the issues I had a concern with this part. I was like, what if this part starts wearing? And they were like, you can come and bring it in, or Michaela was like, you can come and bring it in and we'll go ahead and fix that for you for a fee. So I thought that that was very, very nice to know that if anything happens to my bag, rather than me having to buy another bag or just keep it like wearing it looking raggedy, I can go in and have it fixed. And also I just really love this one, you guys. Like this one is just very, very classic and timeless, even though she doesn't look like much right now because she does not have a shape yet, but she will have a shape once I put my bag organizer in here and everything else. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much my luxury bag that I got myself for my birthday and the unboxing. I cannot wait to film my what's in my bag video because as I mentioned before, I did get my purse organizer from Amazon, which I'll give you guys all the details and everything like that when I do that video. But yeah, I'm ready to carry this bag for the next season or two because this bag is just so freaking nice. I absolutely love it. I've been wanting it for a long time, so I'm glad I was able to get it for myself for my birthday. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous girls did, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous divas and know what you guys are thinking. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.